Good day. Welcome to the Solid Experts Monthly Technical Tip Series. My name is John Nolan, and today I'm going to show an additional tip on customizing PDF output from SOLIDWORKS Composer. Now, we did show earlier some options by using Composer to make much smaller PDFs as large assemblies. Smaller than SOLIDWORKS would generate, so that you could easily attach them in an email and that sort of scenario. Continuing on that theme, we're going to show how to customize the output so that you can perhaps brand it a little bit and make a much nicer and more interactive document. Here I've opened the final result to kind of preview where we're going. And this is in fact a PDF document, 3D PDF, which you can generate from SOLIDWORKS as well, but not with this level of control. Now notice we've got a toolbar that pops up here automatically that's been added, and I've got branding here for what we're doing, and a cute little logo, our company logo, and my contact information and everything. And all of that comes in the PDF file automatically. Any PDF reader on any device will show all of this. So how did we get there? Well, one of the things that you'll need to do is to make a simple layout page. Now I've used PowerPoint because it's automatically oriented in layout mode rather than portrait mode, but you can choose whatever you like. It could be Word, it could be anything that generates you a nice screen orientation view. And here I've just created again our slide, which is a normal just layout mode slide, put in our information, our logo, and so forth. I can easily copy this from an existing presentation. And then I simply file save that out as a PDF. Okay? So that's file, save as, and change the type to a PDF file. Okay, so that was the first step. Once I have that file, I then in fact opened it with an Adobe Acrobat. Now, if you don't have an Adobe Acrobat where you can actually add content into a PDF file, and particularly we're looking at interactive content, there are some other shareware tools or lower cost tools from other vendors. PDF Architect, you can buy a package of that. It's a little bit cheaper. You need the module that adds forms, because what we're doing next is we're going to add a bit of interactive content. It's advanced editing, and it's the button tool. Okay? So this button tool, and we just pick a nice big portion of the template here. And here the name is important, and it has to be exactly this name. SEEMAGE review. Replace rather. Replace. REPLACE. So SEEMAGE replace, all put together as one word. That has to be the name of the button. And that's what's going to tell Composer to take that large area of the PDF file and instead put in our 3D content from the Composer document. So here we just go ahead and save that again as a new PDF file. And that's going to be our template. So here I've got it out as Composer PDF output template. All right. Here I'm going to cancel that because I've already done it. Now in Composer, I've got my document with my multiple views, and notice that I've actually preset the color to kind of match what I had going on in our template. And here the option is File. You choose Publish again rather than Save As. We're going to publish to PDF. And here's the important part. We're going to use that custom template of the type that we just created with the Acrobat, or at least a PDF Architect type writer. Here the embedded 3D file is this U3D format. Okay. On the options here, where I had that toolbar show up, I can show the toolbar, which you almost always want to check on. And here it's optional whether you want it to have it pop the toolbar automatically or just when the user mouses over that general area of the PDF file. And here again, I'll cancel that. So when you do all that, this is in fact what you get. And you can mouse around, use a 3D mouse if you have it. You can toggle the views. You get a lot of interactive content, much more so than you could get with a normal 3D PDF from SOLIDWORKS, or even with Composer without using a template. You just get the plain white space of your sheet format and without the branding and everything else that goes with it. Here we've embedded our Composer 3D content within an area, and we can even do things like turn on measure tools and things like that, making it almost behave like the new model-based definition product. So this is a very nice utility and a way to customize your output, adding your branding, your contact information, and more with a few simple steps. Thank you for your time and attention. Again, this has been the Solid Experts Technical Tips series. Stay tuned for next month with yet another presentation on SOLIDWORKS Composer technical tips. Good day.